What? There's another Jewish holiday coming? Yes! Purim is coming. I wanted to talk to you guys today about one of my favorite things to do in the year of Jewish holidays, which is prepare my Hamantaschen and make Mishloach Manot, or food gift baskets to give to friends, family, and neighbors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa, and today's video is a really fun Purim collab video with several other Jewish mommies on YouTube. We are all going to be talking about some aspect of the Purim holiday and how we celebrate. I've chosen Mishloach Manot, or these food gift baskets, to talk to you about today. Now, if you've ever received a food gift basket or a goodie bag, probably more like a goodie bag is what I'm thinking, you know that goodie bags are notorious for being filled with things that are really unhealthy and bad for you, and really just a lot of cheap junk oftentimes. So I wanted to talk to you today in this video about elevated Mishloach Manot, or higher level Mishloach Manot, that are also eco-friendly and quality. And I'm going to talk about some packaging as well as some food items that you might pack that are both on the high end as well as the more affordable end, so that you are feeling good about what you're giving while also feeling good about the taste and the end trash result of these goodie bags, because no one likes to pollute the earth and create a problem by being a well-meaning gift giver. I remember as a child that the go-to packaging was the paper plate basket. And this is just using a simple paper plate like you might already have at home. It's something that is inexpensive and compostable or recyclable. And just by folding a paper plate up, just like a Hamantaschen, folding the three sides up and stapling the corners, that is a little vessel that you can use for a simple basket holder for your Hamantaschen to give to lots of people on your list. That is my first suggested packaging. I did go ahead and I've researched and placed an Amazon order for some other eco-friendly packaging this year, so that I can be giving my Hamantaschen and other foods without a lot of plastic or non-recyclable packaging, like is frequently the case with snacks and other items that you buy prepackaged at the store, or Hamantaschen that you might bake and divvy up into Ziploc bags that are, again, usually not recycled. I am using wax paper or paper bakery bags this year for my Hamantaschen, which can just be folded shut or closed with a sticker. And those bags I feel really good about because they are translucent and really beautiful, showing my baked goods while also being compostable. The other higher end wrapping is Bees Wrap, which is like a wax paper product, but instead of paper, it is a waxed cloth, and it's a reusable wax paper essentially. This is a product that is so beautiful. It comes in lots of printed patterns, and if you wrapped your Hamantaschen in the bees wrap, that is a reusable gift that can go in the center of a basket, gift basket, or even a Hamantaschen paper plate basket that then lives on. If you know me, you probably also know that we love Maman jam. It is the main ingredient in the filling for my Hamantaschen, and I will link that Hamantaschen recipe down below for you. The jam jar from Maman jam is so beautiful and comes with a beautiful gingham printed lid. And so if you are interested in doing a very small and compact Mishloach Manot, use those jars, reuse them or repurpose them to pack snacks, treats, dried fruit, nuts, Hamantaschen, whatever it is, and just close the lid, and that can be wrapped up with a ribbon attached to one other food item, and there you have your Mishloach Manot that contains 2 food items as a gift to give to someone for Purim. A few other thoughts on packaging that you may want to use this year instead of plastic are paper muffin cup liners. There's all different beautiful kinds. I love that they could hold a little cookie just nestled in your basket. You don't need to wrap the whole thing in cellophane, so you can just have things loose but sitting in a muffin cup. Basically, those are my materials, but I like that this is going to be an eco-friendly package that my recipient is going to get and not have a ton of trash all over their house. I really want you to think about what you're packing in your Mishloach Manot packages, because if you pack things that already have a peel or a skin or a shell, like whole walnuts, you can pack foods that can travel loose and don't require any plastic wrapping around them. Elevate your Mishloach Manot into a real object of beauty, like a still life. So think of things like a fruit still life where you might have beautiful cascading grapes, whole nuts in their shells, apples that are dappled with beautiful colors, citrus. I was able to pick up citrus at my market that still has the leaves on it. Just do what you can to make it really beautiful, high contrast, colorful, but really natural. And I think that that's a sort of back to basics approach that I'm going to be using this year for my Mishloach Manot. I love to buy things that are in recyclable packaging if I do need to buy packaged items. Grape juice in a beautiful recyclable glass bottle, wine. I love the little miniature pineapple juices in the little cans. Those can get recycled and they're self-contained. If you're giving a gift of Hamantaschen, you might include just a little container, a little carton of milk to go with it. What can you repurpose for free that you already have? I went ahead and looked through some magazines that I had laying around. I was looking for images this year that I could turn into envelopes for a note to attach to my gift basket. Pictures in fashion magazines that evoked royalty, luxury, exoticism. Just using some paper that was otherwise going to go into the recycling, I was able to make some really evocative and beautiful envelopes to tuck a little note into and then stick into my Mishloach Manot basket. Tailor your basket to suit the recipients. As I've said, I do have some neighbors who either keep strict Glatt kosher or have food allergies. There are occasions where I'm packing a Mishloach Manot gift basket with prepackaged snacks, maybe some Israeli snacks if I can find them. I also love to pack a package of coffee to go with my Hamantaschen for adult recipients who I know love to drink coffee. So do what you can to tailor your Mishloach Manot to the recipient so that you know that it is not going to go to waste, but is going to fulfill its purpose, which is helping them to have a wonderful holiday and celebration with foods that they love and are going to enjoy. Do what you can this year to make Mishloach Manot that are not trash. I do think that Hamantaschen are really the critical ingredient for any Mishloach Manot basket. You want them to be as delicious as possible. If they taste great, they are definitely going to be memorable and something that your recipient thinks about in the year to come and hopes that they stay on your distribution list. Let me know down below what you do for the Purim holiday. Be sure to look down below for those links to see what other mommies on YouTube are doing for the Jewish Purim holiday. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the content and want to see more like it, and please hit subscribe if you want to stick around on my channel and see future videos that I'm putting out. Take care, and I hope you have a really happy Purim. Bye-bye.